So I cannot believe how much I can get in one suitcase with these packing cubes. And they do kind of everything I've got in there. They still line up flat with my suitcase so it can just close without having to be smushed down. This compression packing cube set comes with so many options. You will never need any other set or packing cubes. You've got small, you've got medium, you've got large, you've even got an extra large bag. It comes with like a toiletry hanging bag. You've got some small mesh net bags and even like a little mesh net laundry bag. So this is the larger one, and when you undo all the compression zips, you can see it is kind of maybe about 2 to 3 inches deep. Okay, so I feel like I'm testing this to the max and I might have it overfilled a little bit, but you can kind of see how it comes up over on the sides. Right now on this side I have 9 sundresses in total. Let's see if I can get this thing zipped up. It looks like it's gonna zip just fine, so I'm actually gonna throw in 2 more small rompers just to see if we can make it all fit. Okay, and this is what it looks like with just the regular zipper. So that was 9 dresses, 2 rompers, so 11 total. So now I'm going to zip the compression zipper and see how much smaller we can get this. And you do have to kind of press in on the sides, but it is compressing it actually pretty well. These zippers are very smooth and actually very sturdy. It doesn't feel like anything is going to rip or anything, which is good. So I just kind of have to keep pushing it in and guiding the zipper. Okay, and this is what it looks like completely compressed and zipped. And the fabric does not feel like it's going to rip or anything. It's very sturdy. Now let me quickly run through how much I was able to pack. Let me remove the top 2 right quick. So this is the large one on the bottom. I do have 9 sundresses and 2 like short rompers in there. This medium one laying beside it, I have 7 athletic pairs of shorts, like kind of like running shorts, and then 4 pairs of like pajama sweat shorts. In this medium one that's kind of back here in the corner, I have 9 t-shirts and 8 tank tops. This I have like socks, bras, underwear. Now this one right here, I have 4 bathing suits, 3 bathing suit cover-up skirts, and then 1 full body bathing suit cover-up. And of course, lastly, this one right here, I have 2 pairs of sweatpants, 2 t-shirts to go with those sweatpants, and also 3 pairs of jean shorts. So you can get half your closet in one suitcase with these packing cubes. So if you need a better way to pack your suitcase, I highly recommend these packing cubes.